This is our My Works lesson on multiple sounds with objects. Before you would do this lesson, you would teach your child the sounds using our sound lesson presentation. Once they've had some familiarity many times with the sound lessons with many of the sounds, then you can combine them and have fun with objects and sounds. What we've done here is we've just taken a little container, and in each container we have the letter and different objects that start with the sound that the letter makes. And you'll see in our presentation that I made sure that Trevor was confident with the sounds before we mixed them up and played a game with the many sounds. Would you like to play a sound game?
Yeah.
We need our rug. Now, do you remember when we did the sound lessons?
Yep.
Now we have our sound boxes. Let's see if we can remember what our sounds are. This says
A.
It's the letter A. What sound does the letter A make?
Ah.
Yes, alligator. Very good. Now, since we've already done these two boxes, should we play the matching game with the sounds?
Yep.
Okay, so let's mix up the sounds from each basket. Would you like to help me with this one? Trevor, this sound says k, k, k. This sound says and this sound says Okay, ready? Mix them up. See if you can match the object to the sound. What is that?
Ant.
What sound does it go under? Is it a gnat? What is it? Good job. Okay, let's try it again. What is that?
Car.
Car. Very good. Okay. What is that?
Apple.
Apple. What is that?
Nickel.
Good job.
Cat. Nut. Candle.
What's that object? No, you're good. You did very well. What is it, though? Do you remember its name? How did you know it went under this sound?
Because it's an animal.
Very good.
Nest.
Nest. Very good, Trevor. Trevor now is very secure with these three sounds. So our next lesson will be teaching him how to blend the sound together to make words. Another tip for keeping this lesson exciting is as your child has been introduced to the different objects and the sounds, and if you see them kind of not enjoying it anymore, change the objects around, surprise them, add some different objects, or maybe even bring out a sound and have them walk around the house and find an object that starts with that sound. Have a lot of fun.